Welcome back to the channel, guys. It is a lovely Saturday morning here. I've been on the road for maybe 30 minutes or so and we've just gone past 7 o'clock. We've got a beautiful sunrise, we've had some rain, we've had rainbows. It's a lovely morning, although it says 1 degree on the dash, so maybe that's not so nice. It looks warmer than what it is. So, what have we got in today? Well, as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm sure, we have got two very special cars in. We've got a Porsche GT3 RS, the 992, in all black, probably one of the nicest specs I have ever seen on a GT3 RS. And then my client has also just picked up a pastel orange 911 ST. Now, I've not even seen a 911 ST in person yet, so it's new to me as it might be to you as well. So I'm really excited to look at and get to work on this one. As you know, I love to get content on Instagram, all that sort of stuff, social media. So with me filming for YouTube on my phone, I can't really do much of that. So you might see me with my glasses on. They're just the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. I use that for all my POV, so I might get some POV style video to post on Instagram later. But for now, you're gonna see a very high quality, in-depth video. So I thought I'd bring you along for the ride with me. I'm not gonna do too much talking in this episode. I'm just gonna let you guys watch the satisfaction and just look at these gorgeous cars. Thought I'd give you a bit of an intro and then that'll be that. I'll just play the video and you can enjoy it. We're about 20 minutes away now, so I will get my foot down, I will get driving, and we will check back in once we are at the job.